tell me, feral pony, how will you proceed further? Knowing Alex, he's expecting you, that won't be simple. Yeah, I'm well aware that it won't be simple. But it will work, as always. We have to act cautiously. Hey big brave bear, it will work out alright. We can do that. Carol is practically free, am I right, Anthony? Yeah, somehow. It will be difficult and things are getting dangerous. You are not coming with us. You stay here. Hey, what's that you say? Of course I'm coming with you. Carol means a lot to me. I want to be in on it. Did I make myself clear, old fart? Yeah, whatever, you stay here. You are far too young to die, beloved baby brother. See, I'm too old to die young, that's alright? You know what, jackass, bite me. That's simply not fair and you are well aware of that. Hey, make better use of your time and have some fun with Olive. We don't need you tonight, Chris. And that's the end of the story. Hey, I hope Carol dumps you, douche. She deserves better than you, complete moron. See, big brave bear. Ideally I would like Ian also would stay here. After all, that's my business, coming for Carol. I would never forgive myself if anything happened to him.
Thank you, Grandpa. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. You know I would do anything for you. Whoa, that's heavy. Do you know what you are asking for? I know. It's vitally important.
Carol, I'm awfully sorry, the marshal's coming tomorrow. You heard her? I will be there like lightning before the storm. Are we clear? Yeah, I understand. Hey, she matters to me, completely, and I would never hurt her, never ever. Even if you bite the dust tonight. What I'm saying, be safe. For her. Alright? I will do my best.
Hey guys, give me a head start, just a few minutes. I assure you, you will find an empty sheriff's office. The keys for Carol's cell you will find on the table, clearly visible.
Whoa, Blossom, are you sure? This is a big deal, trust me, you don't want to be a part of any of this, you know what you are risking? Everything, I mean, you and the sheriff. Are you certain?
Yeah, I'm absolutely certain. Absolutely.
Wow, Joy, that is beautiful.
I know. That's why I want you to bring it back. Got that?
Absolutely. And I can't wait to give it back. Hey, you know what? I'm bored as hell. I allow myself some comforts. I deserve one of Dorothy's girls. What about you, Caleb? Are you in? Hey, as you know, we are banned from Dorothy's saloon, so what, you jerk? I don't give a rat's ass. Besides, someone has to watch out for them. Blossom, my love, what a pleasant surprise. What brings you here? Is everything all right?
Oh yeah, everything's all right. Oh well, I love you, of course, well. And see, I would like to go for a walk with you. Come on, what do you say, wonderful man?
Hey, I would love to go out for a walk with you. Always. There's nothing better than spending the time with the love of my life.
Really? Hey, it was easier than I thought. I mean, I did not know. I mean, I had no idea. Hey Alex, you are so spontaneous. Oh, I like that, just so you know.
You seem to be dazed, and I have the feeling that there is something cooking. I beg you, don't tell me what it is. I guess I needn't know. As for me, I hope someone's coming for this poor woman.
Oh really? Really?
See, I don't think that she's an evil woman. And tomorrow the marshal is coming to pick her up and bring her to Denver. I know the judge there, and, needless to say, I know the marshal, of course. He's rogue, and he will make every effort to send her to the gallows. She doesn't deserve that, and that is the gospel truth.
Oh no, they want to hang her. So let's hope someone's coming for her.
Let's go, keys are on the table. Because I want to do the right thing. And this is the right thing, I'm absolutely certain.
Oh yeah, I know. This is the right thing. Don't worry, dearest. See you later, Carol. Alright. Can't wait to see you again, believe me. Thank you so much, sweetie. My angel.
Hey jackass, as you may know, you are not welcome in our saloon. Go to hell where you belong. Hey, nothing I would rather do, but first I need a woman. Now. Oh, I agree, jerk. I agree. You actually need a woman, one that teaches you manners, one that kicks your ass. But what do I have to do with it? Yeah, haha, pretty funny. Such a stupid question. I want one of your girls no matter which. Oh, how unfortunate for you. I love my girls way too much. I would never ever do this to them. Let this word sink in slowly. Never, ever. Tell me, Dorothy, are you tired of living, or just plain stupid? Oh no, how funny is that? That's just what I was going to ask you, little teeny weeny silly Billy. But in your case it's crystal clear, isn't that true? Tiny tot.
Oh, Anthony, you came. You actually came?
That's what I said, didn't I?
I thought you might have forgotten me.
Oh Carol, how could I ever forget you? Oh Carol, I still can't believe it. It looks like I found my future wife in a jail cell.
Your future wife? Really? Are you contemplating marriage? Oh.
This is really very touching and I hate to interrupt you guys, but, get a move on. Hey, we are still in jail. Oh, are we? Really? Thought we are in 7th heaven.
Yeah, heaven, that's just what I was thinking. Oh Anthony, you are the best. Hello, beautiful stranger.
Hey, you guys hit the trail, I will be right there. Alright, but I don't have a good feeling about this, you know, after all there are a few blockheads in this town. Hey, don't be too long, got that? Like I said, I will follow in a couple of minutes, no need to worry. Go. Remove her out of harm's way. See you at home, sort of. And take care.
Oh hey, without your bandit's kerchief you are even more beautiful. Wow, it is so exciting to finally meet you. I mean, yesterday I saw you from the balcony and you were so far away. Even so, I knew immediately we are made for each other. By the way, do you like my dress? It is new, and just for you. Oh, you look distraught. Don't you remember me?
Yesterday you set the sheriff on the wrong track because of us. That was decent of you, I appreciate that. So, and now I also have to run. Farewell.
Farewell? Hey, when will I see you again? I mean, I cannot imagine my world without you. See, because of you I found a new lease of life, and I couldn't have done it without you. Please don't go. I beg you.
I have to. I'm wanted, and hunted. For me it is actually high time to disappear. Moreover, see, I have a girl and not just any. No, I love her to death. Holy crap. So here is what you do, go inside the saloon, slowly and without attracting attention. Alright?
Oh, and what if he tries to shoot me?
Then I'm faster. Go.
Oh, so you are going to save my life?
Oh, he points a gun at me, don't worry. Get lost. Now.
I heard you need a woman, Joshua. Well, here I am.
Damn it, all out of the way, stupid cow. Hey, is she nuts? Didn't I say without attracting attention? What's that supposed to be? Does she want me to shoot him or what?
Oh, come on, show me what you've got, cowboy. What's up? Oh, I guess it's true what they say, you do not have the balls. You are a sneaking coward, and you are not useful for anything. Am I right?
What the heck, stupid girl. Hey, shut the hell up, I kill you, I swear. Shit. Walk inside the saloon. Go in. Damn.
I'm going. But please, lay off him.
Well, finally, it's about time. Hey moron, where were you? Hey, take it easy dude, I'm back. Hey blue-eyed boy. I'm afraid it's over. Right, say a prayer, for you there's nothing left to do.